Hey Elijah, it's great to have you on. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hey, I'm Elijah. I'm 27. I worked in a warehouse for a long time and I got tired of minimum wages and the 9 to 5. So that's why I wanted to make something different. Then I found your company on social media.
What made you want to start a business, and what was the business that you chose to start?
I was tired of working a job and working hard to make someone else money. I chose remote home cleaning. It was perfect business because I could run it all from my laptop, allowing me the freedom to travel and enjoy my life.
And then once you were inside of Empire, what did things look like?
I was fully committed to making this work. I immediately studied all the educational content and used the tools I was provided with. I wasted no time and launched the business same day I found Empire. 4 days later, I landed my first job and got my first paycheck.
That's awesome. So, how long have you been a member of Empire for, and how much money are you making?
I joined around 4 months ago and am I doing a little over 15K per month.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations, Elijah. I wish you all the success. You already have a lot of success going for you, but you're gonna continue to break through